Ibabagsak presyo natin up to 60% discount guys, and even buy one take one guys sa mga products ng Unilever this coming November 6 exactly 7 PM guys sa live natin on the Ora Shop. Just imagine guys, 5 liters plus 5 liters, buy one get one, 698 pesos. Meron ka ng 10 liters of liquid detergent, laundry powder, 10 kg gawin magkano, 900 pesos lang. Meron tayo guys mga buy one take one guys na dishwashing liquid. Ito, buy one take one dishwashing liquid magkano, 128 pesos na lang. 286 pesos naman kung sakaling nakasupot 1.5 liters, may kasama pang teddy bear pag binili mo sa live natin. Meron din tayo guys mga brightening lotion guys, grabe. 4 na bote, 130 ml guys from Black & Glow, 281 pesos lang. 4 na bote rin, 100 ml galing kay Black & Glow, 157 pesos lang. Tresemme products guys, meron din tayo guys, buy one take one ng mga product na to, 566 pesos. Buy one take one ng mga product na to guys, 532 pesos guys. Imagine guys buy one take one guys ng exfoliating body wash ng St. Ives, 353 pesos. Dalawang pirasong 450 ml bottle, may libre ka pang toner. Damay na rin po guys ang body lotion. Buy one take one for only 409 pesos. May libre ka ulit na toner guys, 181 pesos guys. Buy one take one na tong deodorant. Ever na bumili ka naman ng ganitong soap for only 333 pesos guys, may libre ka pang another one, total of 8 bars of soap. Grabe, napakamura. Dami na rin po guys yung mga Vaseline products, grabe. 150 pesos, buy one take one to guys. 91 pesos guys, 256 pesos guys. Meron ka na rin buy one take one guys na ganitong product. And plus sa lahat guys ng bibili guys sa live natin this coming November 6 guys from Unilever guys, mamimigay pa tayo guys ng 3 iPhones brand new guys. Exclusive lang po sa mga mag-checkout again sa live natin this coming November 6 exactly 7 PM guys. So paano mo ito makuha? Paano ako makakasali? Simple lang. Mag-subscribe ka right now. Link in the description or link in the comment section or link inside our broadcast channel para guys maklaim mo na yung mga vouchers mo as early as now. Again guys, bagsak presyo guys. Even buy one take one up to 60% discount guys. Lahat ng products ng mga Unilever this coming November 6 exactly 7 PM. Huwag ka mawawala. See you there. Bye-bye.